garden fresh vegetables with red lentil penne. So these are herbs and chilies fresh from the garden. This video is made possible by Tolerant Organic. It's the new way to eat pasta. We got zucchini and eggplant from the garden. This is as fresh as it gets. Pot of boiling water, pour in your pasta, and let cook for 7 to 10 minutes. Rinse and then add your seasonings. I used Bragg 24 herbs and spices, squeezed in some lemon juice, give it a good stir, some truffle oil as well. Slice up your veggies lengthwise, olive oil on your cast iron pan, and while that's heating up, add some herbs to your cooked penne. Sear or shallow fry your vegetables. Season with what you have, salt, spices, what have you. Some parts might be a little too charred, that's okay. Mostly golden, check that out. Next batch will be the garlic, onion, and chilies. Take your favorite plate and arrange the components as so. Try to grow your own food and live life like it's golden.